Hello lovely one, and welcome to clue number 5 of our year-long mystery knit along. I am loving watching all of your beautiful projects take shape. So far we've focused on simplicity, balance, creating space, as well as embracing life's inevitable challenges. And for this month, we are focusing on gathering, because coming together can really be such a powerful and healing experience for us. Sometimes life can be really lonely, and we might feel unappreciated, unloved, disconnected, or even scared. But when we come together, even to simply sit and stitch, it can heal that lonely part of us. And it can be so beautiful to know that we are connected to something greater than ourselves. And that is the most delightful thing about knit-alongs. You're not stitching alone. You are making the same beautiful piece with all these hundreds of other amazing souls out in the world. So as you're working your stitch pattern this month, go ahead and send some beautiful thoughts to all the other people out there making this same design. Wish them joy, love, peace, and all the good things. And I want you to know this month, if you have that wave of loneliness wash over you, as we all do from time to time, know that you are not alone. We are all here for you. We love you. We appreciate you, and you matter. So the stitch pattern that we're going to be working this month is going to create a beautiful little diamond shape, but it's quite different from the previous stitch patterns that we've worked. And to me, I think it looks like a beautiful ocean at midnight. The color you're going to need this month is our Milky Way Galaxy Buttery Sport. It's rich, it's sumptuous, like a beautiful evening sky. And to me, it almost seems to come alive in your hands as you're working with it. It's a color that seems to reverberate, very calming. It's thrilling. It's just a really gorgeous saturated shade. So hop on over to expressionfiberarts.com to download the newest clue, as well as get the yarn. And of course, make sure that you are signed up for email updates, because that's where we're going to announce the next clues. Have a wonderful time stitching, and I will see you in a month with clue number 6. Bye!